drop down.
We got poles deployed.
Deploy.
We're deployed. We are deployed. Hang on.
No, here we go. We are deployed.
We're gonna get northerlies. Hang on, everybody.
Here it comes.
Your harnesses on?
Fully deployed.
Yeah, put on your seatbelt.
Seatbelts on now. It's about to cross right here. Maybe just a little bit to our east.
We need to back up.
No, we're out. We have spikes deployed.
Spikes deployed to the highway. You're okay. Totally fine.
Okay.
Totally fine here. Westerly's right here.
What does that mean?
It's gonna cross to our east right here to our north.
Here to get very strong northerly zone in a second.
Yeah, it's in it very strong.
The armored vehicle performs incredibly well.
All right, all good so far. I can see the edge up there.
And the heart of the wedge tornado pivots slightly away from the team.
Should I lift him up? Lifted him up.
Okay. Did it pass in front of us?
Not yet. Could very easily still be coming.
As the main threat subsides, we look back at Jamie Winterstern's amazing footage of this storm, slightly sped up to better show the rotation